Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure you have administrator rights because you will change system settings. Once confirmed, open Power Options directly with Win plus R and PowerKFG, CPL, or via Control Panel under Hardware and Sound. Make sure to note the active power plan name so you can restore it if needed. While here, keep a separate window open for Command Prompt as admin. You will run a few commands shortly to restore advanced options that may be hidden or disabled by policy. Now you run specific commands to reset power schemes and remove attribute flags that hide options. Open an elevated command prompt and run PowerKFG restore default schemes to reset plans, then use PowerKFG attributes with the plan and subsetting GUID to clear the hide attribute. If these commands don't expose an option, carefully back up the registry and edit HKey local machine /system /current control set /control /power to remove restrictive values. Finish by reloading power options and opening change advanced power settings. You should now see previously missing entries. If not, use gpedit. MSC to check group policy under computer configuration, right arrow administrative templates, right arrow system, right arrow power, and set related policies to not configured. Make sure to reboot after changes, because policies and registry edits often require a restart. If an option remains missing, restore your exported registry key, run sfc/scano to repair system files, or test with a fresh user account to rule out profile corruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.